Hello. Welcome to Fun to Tester. As a tester, the most challenging part is how to know about the latest trends in a testing field. So usually we are going to the multiple social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, and we are following a certain people. But how we'll get to know that what are the latest trends, what are the conferences are happening, what are the latest tools. So to stay updated in to testing field, there is a one small extension, and in this quick video we are going to discuss about that. So before moving forward, don't forget to like and share this video with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe Fundu Tester.
Camera rolling action.
Let me go to the computer screen. I'm on a selectorshub.com, and there is a tool called a testing daily. So basically this tool is available on the browser as well as on an Android and iOS phone as a application. So I'm going to use on a Chrome. Basically this will help you to stay ahead with a latest testing trend, YouTube video testing, blog, upcoming conference, QA meetup, testing jobs, all these activities. This will help you. So basically what are the things are happening in day-to-day testing world, you will get all this information from the small browser extension or Android or iOS applications. So I'm going to click on the add to Chrome basically, and then I need to click on the add to Chrome, add extension. That extension got added, and you will see likely this kind of a interface. So I can see what are the things are happening into the testing tab. So this is the interface of this testing daily browser extension, and here you can see the couple of activities. This is the home page, YouTube video, blogs, event and jobs. So on a home page you will see here all these informations. This is the YouTube video, this is the blog written by QA media, and videos and everything. You can filter with a video. So for example, let's say you have plan like your daily goal is to watch 2 or 3 videos from the testing world, then from here you will get the latest video of the past 1 or 2 days, and you can go through what are the things are happening into the testing world. Here are the latest blogs, so you will get the latest blog here. What are the events are happening around in testing field, so you will get all this information. And most important in current market trends, so basically the job information. Here you will get the job information on daily basis, and apart from this there are a couple of more sections are available. So for example, popular videos, so what are the videos are trending as of now on this tool. uh, so you will here you will get this information. Then most upvoted, so most liked, so here also you will get this information about most liked videos, best discussions. If it's kind of a forum, so people are discussing and giving votes and sharing their thoughts, so that information here you will get. And here are the couple of things. So you can get the Android application, you can get the iOS application, tutorial suggestions. And if you wanted to do, like for example, you wanted to do like upvote, you liked some video and you wanted to do the upvote, then it will ask you for the login. Or simply you can go here on the login button, and then you can first do the signups, and you can participate into discussions, and you can comment on particular video, you can do the upvote. So this is kind of a useful browser extension. You can go through daily once or twice, and you will get to know the what are the latest things are happening into industry.
So now I am on an iPhone, and you can see the testing daily. And you if you go to the, for example, let's say App Store, so you can search over there testing daily, and you can download the application. So I'm going to the App Store, and I'm going to search testing daily. So from here you can download the application. Similar way you can do for Android application. You have to go to the Play Store, and from there you can download the testing daily application. So here let me go through the application. I'm going to open the application, and this is how application will look. So basically you will get all the options similar if you are using extension or Android application or iOS application. You will get all the options everywhere. So here for let's say I'm going to the my feed. So this is how my feed will look like, and I can see all the latest blogs and articles and everything. I can see, even I can see the appropriate a content creator name, so whoever is creating a content. So for example, this is the video from Fundu Tester, so you can see here the name. This video is from Selector Hub, so you can see the name of the creator as well. And here also you will get all the options, so like most upvoted, best discussion, bookmarks, customize. Even you can customize your mobile application feed as we have discussed. So similar, pretty much all the content you will get on a mobile application. And here if I'm going to the particular video, let's say I'm going to this video, so here if I want to comment or if I want to watch this, so simply I need to click on a watch on YouTube, or I can bookmark this video, or if I want to share with anyone, then I have to click on share button and I can share the video with my friend as well. So this is pretty cool application.
Every tester should try this to stay updated into current markets. I hope you like this quick video. And before moving, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Fundu Testers. Thank you so much.